based on the heat where they're upon you right now, and all of the attention, we just believe, sir, you should have lay low right now. Besides, I'm sure you have people you can deputize for you and can do the job just as efficient. So that may I ask.
Okay. So we're going back to that. Where my big brother is putting me in my place. Push me aside on like a corner, and I must be your little puppet to do your bidding. All because what? You want to go back to political prominence? Hey, Marcus, that naga happen.
So that's how you feel. So me come true for you in your most dying needs, dying moments, and you can't come true for me.
And coming through for you means I must go park myself in a corner. You know, you're the consummate politician. Want to take glory for something where the plan already. Look here, you the one be apartheid. Me never call you for your apartheid. Me da go at it myself. And you said, no, my brother, let me be there for you. But I guess you had your plan. This was it. You want me owe you something?
Me helping you with Tony Xpressionz was for the greater good. Just like how me go back in our politics, it's for the greater good for the country. Me are the man for the job. And think about what me can do for you.
The more things change, the more they remain the same. In case you don't realize, I've been doing it for myself. Me no need your help.
You know, Carlton, better you make me do something for you. Or something might do you.
Assume. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Go. Attack. Again.
Bubbles, you alright?
Yeah, me alright. You alright? You practice any at all when you're at home?
Well, to be honest, a long time I not do practice at home, but it's not like me I go on an assignment.
Not like you go on any assignment. Little girl, you must always be on top of your game, mentally and physically.
Sorry, but this just feel like you attack me.
Yeah, me attack you. You think anybody ever alert you when they attack you out the street?
What about you?
Only heap of things are bad on it all. The minister try shut down the agency. Mr. Mullins just start move weird. We have an agent out there still. Miranda still at large. We find out so we have 30 odd nightmares. And if it couldn't get no worse, Whisper resign.
Whisper do what? Why?
The minister get to him.
The minister get to him how?
Him use him data and threaten him. And him give a whole heap of valuable information on the agency.
Me not believe what you tell me.
Whether you believe it or not, it happened. Him admit it.
I must want serious threat then. Cause I know Whisper that. Whisper now to them something if you carry down the agency and lose your trust.
Everybody have a breaking point, Tonian. And I believe Whisper just reach him.
Bubbles, why would not just get rid of the minister boy there?
Easier said than done, T. But you know, we can't act out our emotions.
Well, Andy, why Whisper just resign so? Why him never just try and fix it?
I think him believes him let me down. Him also believe that the situation not fixable.
And you just make him walk with so? You not even try and stop him?
Him mind it done make up already. And me did in a shock. Cause me couldn't believe him just a walk with so.
Bubbles, we can't just make this go so. We have to go talk to him.
No, we have other things to do. You always say you want to go on big assignments. Me gonna need you more than ever now.
But Bubbles, we are a team. More like a family. We do this better together. Can't do this without Whisper.